Hello friends, tini to duty choli tongo tini 13 of February. So ang tau faika lunch kana bagai lunch actually ang min mas nam sinai. This is a healthy lunch chana hini think kai tongo. So healthy lunch bagai ni mas nam nai. Ngadong nai tong di ang bai ke healthy lunch nam within few minutes, within 15 minutes ang sanamui chai complete khaine and then taisa duty thanai nganai tong di green block no. And so let's move to the kitchen now to prepare the healthy lunch meal within 30 minutes. During this 30 minutes lunch break, ang lunch mo samnai and then chop sanai and then night only. So friends, this is my kitchen. So jeng tini tam nanai tokti tongo sinro tomato for salad and then tongo sosa cucumber. So we will use this and cucumber. We'll use 3 whole eggs, and also I will take some onions, 2 onions. So these are the things friends what you will need to prepare this healthy meal. So let's get started. So friends, चंगा को काट लेना है, अभी हम इसको काटेंगे. इसको बनाना तो बहुत ही आसान है. अगर आपको एक अच्छी हेल्थ चाहिए तो बस काम तो करना ही पड़ेगा. Now let's cut the tomatoes. Yang tomato cut ready ka. So friends, let's put this here side by side. See, it is looking very nice, right? See here the cucumbers slices, and here's the tomatoes. So it's looking pretty delicious. Now we will use this eggs. I was in top fry kane. So here we go. I'm use kind of more the whole eggs because dia masuk ke tangborne kaine. Now noi makna. Oh, nice salt kiza. Sama dengan orang thogjan ansane. Ini nanya son parna sehingga. Kita sayang tikura. Akan mix kan em no. Let's put the gas on flame now. som my friends also je som mix khaina salt norok no make khobjang onusare taste ready salt add khai dia no bikin nanya because salt kabang ba abar sorry bongo water retention no so nanya sing asa mix khaina khaite friend tadi cini dokter friend jeng dabari plate sar khaitne dear friends cini ro tongo doni apply jeng doni apply nomor nai kisa kisa friends so norok nukana ani lunch ready kha amar ready khanya ang nakana hardly 10 minutes so ama belakino delicious healthy rich in protein tarpore salad no carbs ekdom komoro carbohydrate kom so all diet ni weight loss khana buga ekdom perfect nok try khina di norok jeman ang mo samkhai tongo and din duty choli tongo but still ang amna prepare khaina kha ani lunch break go within 15 minutes ang ani lunch complete khainai so belakino easy ama samnani norok try khai di and ama belakino thoknai ang norno sai tongo angtai nok nai guys birula ni lunch bai kino so nok logi makana ani meal to reading kha belakino this সময় nanglia within 10 minutes complete whole process so aba belakino thoknai angkai taba amar test khainai norok nai tongdi engke norok bosnam chaimna theke norok actually jekono norok busy schedule school college tarpore job khai tong mai pano norok mo sami chaimano amar samna khub kom somoy nango bi somoy nangya nge phadi start khainai ang dabo as you can see norok mo makna and healthy lunch খুব কম সময় সামজাক খুবই রিচ ইন প্রোটিন তারপরে স্যালাড নিনি বহকনা ফিল খাইনা বাগৈ বেলেখানো কাহামাবো হেলদি নরকম সামে চাদি গাং টেস্ট খাইনাই তাই কো ফ্রেন্ডস আং চামচ তুজাগলি আসো ইয়াক মান চানাই দিনে চলতাই না সো ডোন্ট মাইন্ড আং ইয়া বচাই তখনো awesome healthy plus delicious quality food sana tin bagam suno hambai no donat disna hamza kangkai kaise video like khadi share khadi and norok sami chadi and jore thokja kangkai comment khadi and channel subscribe khadi hambai bye